For a passenger plane belonging to Pakistan International Airlines has crashed to the ground in a residential area just outside the commercial capital of Karachi. Flight PK-8303, which was carrying 107 passengers and crew, was en route from the city of Lahore and had been due to land in Karachi. Well, it appears from these early images that the plane came down in a densely populated area with black smoke billowing at the scene. Well, the Pakistani army says it has deployed units to the scene. There's no word yet on the number of casualties. Well, Pakistan International Airlines is the country's state-run airline. It's an airline with a checkered safety record. And the crash comes as people across the country prepare to celebrate the end of Ramadan and the beginning of the Muslim holiday of Eid al-Fitr. It's a time when many people return to their hometowns. But that is what we know for the time being. 99 passengers on board that flight, 8 crew, and the plane en route, a domestic flight from Lahore to Karachi, came down what appears to have been a residential area of that city. We'll have the latest from Pakistan in just a moment. We'll cross to the scene.